What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We're back working on the race truck, which we need a name for, by the way. So if you have any good ideas, leave them down in the comment. We'll read through those and see what we want to do. So like I said, we're back working on this thing today, and I've done a little bit. So in the beginning of the video, you saw me, I pulled all the wiring out of this thing, and also the whole fuel tank and all like the, I don't even know, it's like an evaporator system or something for it. It's part of the fuel system on these gas trucks. So if I hadn't explained it already, this was a 2008 regular cab long bed truck. It's a heavy duty, and it was a 6.0 gas truck. So a lot of the stuff's actually the same. Some of the small differences are like these. So like the motor mounts mount here, this one will be better. So the motor mounts mount on top here, and then the engine mounts to those. So these are different, but the mounting on the frame is the same. So I just got to get those. The steering gearbox is a little bit different on the back side here, but no worries there. I have one actually off my other truck, and it's about it. This cross member here for the torsion bars is a little different, but that might work for our setup. I'm not sure yet. But other than that, everything else is the same. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off this back bumper and the hitch, and probably some more of the fuel line stuff, and we're just gonna keep plugging away at this thing. Alright, so it's the next day, and yesterday I got a little fed up with this thing. The brake lines are completely off this now. I wanted to take them off just to, you know, when I get the frame sandblasted, want it to look good. So unfortunately, well, here's part of one of the lines. So unfortunately, when you know, trying to unthread these, this is the only one that came off good. As you can see, it spins. So the rest of them were all rusted down in here. So lines are junk. It's not a big deal. It kind of just opened up another route for me. So the factory ABS is going bye-bye now. Just gonna get a proportioning valve and run brake lines. Not a huge deal. So now I'm gonna start tearing down the front end here. So first we're gonna get the tires off, and I wanted to show you something that I found. So I want to talk about a bad ball joint. Oh, it won't even work. You can kind of see it. It's rocking too good, but when I jacked this thing up, that ball joint kind of went boop. So, but like I said, we're gonna get into this front end here. We're gonna work on getting the front diff out today. So yeah, we'll see what we can get done. Alright, so got both sides tore down, front diff out, sway bar end links cut off. So it's a pretty good stopping point for today. So that's a pretty good stopping point for today. I don't want this video to get too outrageously long, so I think that's going to do it for this one. The next video, we'll probably tear off all that steering and yeah, we'll just kind of keep taking stuff apart until we got a bare frame. So that's going to do it for this one. If you're stopping in for the first time, hit that subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss any of this. I promise you that. Hit the like button on the way out and we'll catch you guys in the next one.